For me, it's easy. Like 1 month, completely done.
Several months later.
Where is our car? You didn't sell it already? Where'd my seats go? You steal them too?
Yeah, we still it. We sold it.
Okay, I take the 812. I'll trade you. You can keep our 458. What's going on, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to CL600 Road Trip Part 2. Today we are going to be working on the black 458 with Sergi and the crew from Real Life Exotics, but of course we got to start the day with the CL600. What are we up to? About 600 miles so far on the way home? Yeah. And it is held up great. Way better than anticipated for 1,500 bucks. Absolute home run. That is if the check engine light turns out to be something easy, which we really hope. So stay tuned to the next video, we'll probably go diagnosing that. I guess we start with the cold start, right? I mean, it's probably got nothing on our S600, which is fully straight piped. Dude.
Sounds like it doesn't even start, I can't hear it.
Ignore all the dirt and road grime from our cold, wintry road trip home yesterday. It's doing great, so without further ado, a little cinematic edit over to Sergi's shop, and let's get reunited with the black 458 for the first time in months.
Hello?
Привет, я Jeffrey. Это мой брат Christian.
Hey, what's up, man?
Where are you?
Good. Hey, I'm gonna be there very soon.
1 hour later.
Action!
There he is! All right, we made it.
Welcome back.
Where is our car? You didn't sell it already?
Pick any car.
Oh, pick any car? Whoa! Okay, I take the 812. I'll trade you. You can keep our 458. Oh, Chris, remember this? When we were here, this was in pieces last time. Oh, man. How's it been? How have all the projects been coming along? What's been the hardest car? What about finding the parts for the 812? That must have been a pain in the butt.
This one is hardest to find it parts.
Yeah.
And hardest to put it together. Like super hard because it's hard to make perfect lines.
Right.
So I play with the car 3 days, like straight 3 days. Whole front.
This all painted? This looks factory.
Yes.
Oh, man.
We didn't buff it yet.
You named Buffett yet?
No.
Looks great. It's looking good. We got a lot of content. Lots going down today. Another Ferrari coming. Yes.
Please like and
subscribe to his channel right there.
Please.
Real Life Exotics.
Real Life Exotics.
Link down below. Top link. Go follow them. They're doing crazy videos.
Yeah, seriously, it is the craziest car rebuilding channel on YouTube.
Yes.
It's gotta be.
You do the best rebuilds on YouTube. Like, hands down. No one's got this stuff. Like, no one takes on these projects.
It's not all of them.
And he's got more.
3 at my house, and on this shop couple.
Oh man! When they go subscribe, you giving away a Ferrari for free for them?
No, not Ferrari. Something for sure.
He's gonna do some sort of giveaway, so you better just go subscribe just to be in on it.
This car, when we bought it, we never see the car.
Sight unseen.
We thought this is the frame. I thought everything is smashed, but everything is good over here. It's good thing. Because Spider, even if it's hit over here, it's gonna be bent the whole car because it's Spider, no support.
Right.
And the roof been open when it's smashed, so it's good. All lines is perfect. I mean, brake rotor is cracked.
How much is the brake rotor?
I mean, my cost 2,500, used one.
Oh, okay. How much brand new from Ferrari? Top price.
Dude, I think about 6 grand.
Oh.
I thought it's gonna be damage also. When we open, look at it's perfect.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
It's perfect.
So this will be put back together.
But you'll see this car, I ordered it already, parts all new.
We'll
lower it a little bit.
Oh, a lot bit.
And you saw this car, right?
Yeah, flood car that you fix, no problem. You drive it all the time, runs great.
Yes.
Oh yeah. All right, here it is. It looks a lot different from when we dropped it off. What did you do? What's been going on?
To be honest, I feel bad because this car usually at my shop car fixed fast, but it's not all my fault because that's your fault because we don't have a part, you know.
Yeah. We were a little slow in that.
I remember the hood, right? Look at this. It's perfect right now.
It had like a huge crease.
It's
like
it was banded.
This was messed up.
Okay. Cage.
The whole cage was messed up?
Cage is messed up. It's perfect right now.
Oh yeah. It looks a lot better from the one that was on there before.
Look at this.
Okay, there we go. The big part of the car.
Same quarter panel.
No way. No way. Ours was so bad.
This is the, do you remember?
Oh yeah. Our quarter panel before was so messed up.
You can feel it. When you hear it, when it's like, you can feel it, it's really barely bonded here.
Yep. I'll put in the clips. Your guy like worked it out every little bit. He was like a master. Look at that.
nice.
Absolutely perfect. Wasn't this messed up?
This one has been messed up. You remember we opened up on the 2 pieces and
Yeah,
made it?
crease. Oh, it's perfect.
Like supposed to be. This
I think there was like a huge crease right
look,
here.
These fenders not painted and side skirts not painted. And bumpers is over here.
So we're painting stuff tonight? Maybe.
Yes, yeah, we
Okay.
tried because I pushed the guy. I'm like, hey,
Alright.
they here, we're gonna record it. Last night we painted another Ferrari.
Man,
And
alright.
You saw, right, video?
Yeah.
You probably didn't see it.
Follow him on Instagram too.
Yeah, follow me on
All the behind
Instagram.
the scenes stuff. Yeah, here we go, here we go.
Look.
Oh, snap. Wait, that car?
No, that's another 812.
Man, you got two 812s?
Yeah, I got
It's got two 812s.
2019.
2019.
For these
Crazy.
lines, take me about 2 hours, and we put in the best clear coat.
Man, so that's gonna be us tonight, hopefully,
Yeah.
on
Yes.
our parts.
Yeah,
For the
yeah.
bumper, side skirts. You've been doing a ton of work on the interior.
Here, look, everything come off. Remember the dashboard?
Oh, it's so messed up.
Look at this, new.
Oh,
but
my
we didn't
goodness.
install yet. We didn't install
That's
it.
like factory leather. It looks
Yeah, we
exact same.
didn't. Look at the stitches.
Man, I didn't know you were stitching. You're good at stitching. That was all you?
Everything. White one.
Holy, look at that.
Clean.
You know,
Wow.
you never tell it's touched before because. But listen, usually
Yeah.
we have to take it off. This thing. If I take it off, I have to take it off. Clustered, everything, whole dashboard, and underneath, I have to play with the screws. What we did on a car, we take it off, clean up. We have video also.
Wow, looks perfect.
Yes. We need the roof, but we're not
Yep.
gonna use factory because.
Where'd my
we're gonna-
seats go? You steal them too?
Yeah, we still it. We sold it.
Oh, there they are. Okay. Seatbelts going in eventually?
We're gonna
Yellow
put in
seatbelts?
different color. Remember?
Yeah,
what
yellow,
color?
yellow seatbelts. Yellow. Yeah, to match the brake calipers.
Okay,
And then
let me-
gold wheels, right? Wheels.
You
Where are the
said-
wheels?
You said you want a silver.
Oh, I said gold.
Okay, gold. Whatever.
I mean, I think most people wanted gold on the video. Gotta do what the people want.
Belts is gonna look like.
Oh, yes. Yes. Gold wheels, yellow brake calipers, yellow horse, yellow seatbelts.
Guys, if you guys gonna subscribe me like a lot, you know, a lot.
Thousands need to go
Yes.
now.
I'm gonna work on this car like I'm gonna start tonight.
You hear that? He's actually gonna finish it if you guys just subscribe.
Right.
Subscribe to the channel, link down below, and then we get our car back. Win, win, win. All right, what do we got here? This is one of the last parts we need. We need some carbon fiber on the car.
Like a present, Christmas
Yeah.
present.
Ooh, there's some carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber for the rear diffuser.
That's what I'm talking about.
I save it for you guys.
Da. Klasna. Yeah. Yeah, I know all that Russian.
Let's go
So,
to other shop.
Yes. Aventador.
Oh, listen. I want to explain you about this car. We bought this from
Yes.
insurance company.
Yes.
This car has only 6,000 miles.
Okay.
And this car
Sounds
been
good.
an accident undercarriage. When we got this car, I've been upset.
Uh-huh.
I almost cried. Let me show you something.
Where's this
This
undercarriage
car been
damage?
damaged over here. This part we already replaced it. This is new part.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, we made everything perfect.
Uh-huh.
And we find out hole on the on the rear differential. I thought it's engine. I'm like, oh shit, you know. Can you imagine if this engine is bent?
Oh, 50
and
grand.
But listen, it's not a big surprise.
Uh-huh.
When we open the trunk, when we receive the car, this is original matte black,
Ooh, matte black. All right. What year? 2012?
2012. When we receive the car, you guys check it out our videos.
Yeah. He explained all this. I saw it.
Insurance company take it out the engine. I think customer decided to not fix it or something. They just throw the engine back, throw all pipes, all like just like that, and put in covers. No, we spent like about a week already to work. Missing 2 ECUs, engine ECU and transmission ECU.
Those sound expensive.
Yeah, like 3 grand for transmission and 3 grand for engine.
Oh, snap. It's pulling up. Sergi's new car on the... Oh! And it still has a clean title. No way you're gonna fix that.
Get that off of there.
You're crazy. Only in Mexico. We're in Mexico.
Yeah, this is the Mexico.
Let's go get this 488 off the truck.
Yeah.
There it is. We came on a good day. They're taking delivery of this 488. Stuff's going down with the 812 super fast, and now our car's getting some work. How the heck are they even gonna get it off? Oh my gosh.
Firewall just ripped it off.
Don't drop that $8,000 rotor. Oh my goodness. Dang, this thing. So the motor and transmission look decent. Look, it had an exhaust on it. It was like 700 horsepower. Check that out. There's the turbo right there. Man.
It's just one of those, whatever they gave from Lomall offer.
This is the factory Ferrari. I'm the factory, you know?
Hey guys, we made it to Italy where we got all the 812 parts. How many miles are on this one?
700 miles, 2019.
700 miles. You gotta be kidding me. Beast vintage. This thing probably sounds. Did you get it running yet?
No, not yet, because I just ordered the key.
Okay, yeah, the key. How much was the key? 2,000 bucks, right?
No, 1700 with discount.
How many hours did all this take?
24.
24. So is it Rosso Corsa?
Yes.
Some other.
52,
Okay.
Rosso Corsa. So we don't have to repaint the whole quarter panel, send it out and buffer
Looks
up.
perfect.
And you're never gonna see it.
Unwrapping an 812. Who else can do this? Here in my garage, just bought this new 812 super fast.
I replaced the dashboard already.
What's this worth when it's done? What are you gonna sell for? How much for us? Family, friends
I
price.
think, for you, I mean, your garage, they pretty rich boys.
Hey.
300,000. Dude, this car is worth 500,000.
Okay.
For 70. Insurance pay up for 74.
Dang, and this got like no miles.
No miles.
At 300K, Christian. I'll trade you.
No,
we'll trade you our plane. A plane is way more useful.
Okay, give me.
Useful.
Yeah.
Did you buy this plane?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Trade you.
Wow. Okay, let's do trade.
Yeah.
Прошу, ты, пожалуйста, молчи. Смотри в глаза и ничего не говори. Я все решил, ты, пожалуйста, живи. Просто убегай.
All right, Chris, we made it to L&D Solutions where we're picking out the seatbelt color for the black 458. We're leaning toward yellow. We definitely think yellow's the move, but look, they got like different shades. I'm thinking that one because it's kind of like a gold look. So if we go with gold wheels, we're gonna have yellow brake calipers.
Yellow emblem in the steering wheel, and then yellow seatbelts would be sweet. I feel like seatbelts,
What about
like
that one?
colored seatbelts are, they just look so cool.
Check this out. This would be perfect for the green UGR. It's hard
my
to show on lighting, but it's like a perfect Verde Ithaca match. So like if we're really balling out, that'd be cool to do. But definitely the Ferrari, since the seats are already out, it's like the perfect time to like do this upgrade. So we're leaning toward that one, but this one's kind of like a gold. So I don't know, comment down below. 1, 2, or 3.
McLaren.
Oh
Boom,
yeah, check
right
that
there.
out. Oh, we can do the McLaren too.
Oh, I want to do everything.
Cool to be at their HQ here. They work with like Goon Squad and a bunch of other YouTubers. So B is for Bill. Definitely Black 458 getting that upgrade. So that's gonna be sweet. All right, back to the shop. Get working on the Black 458. And Dimitri said he is willing to paint the parts tonight. So that's hyped.
All right, so heading out of L&D Solutions. Pretty wild. SLS, G-Wagon, oh my goodness.
Sergio wants the race. He wants his V12 smoke.
Hold on. Can we switch the language? I don't need no advances. Run this check without loans. What I do never planned out. It fall in place on its own. I don't ever need practice. You on benchman that blows. Warren Buffett at Airish. Want a Disneyland Palace. 2020. See my future through the ball. 2020. See him losing from afar. Throw me the wolves, I'ma return, leading the pack, yeah. What can I say? All that I do, always the track, yeah. Out with the old and with the new, Calo was that, yeah. Got him like, ooh, got him like, ah, man, that bitch slap. Got my team wearing all black if you overstepping your grounds. Y'all don't see all this hard work that I wrote up out of this pen. That everybody wanna be a rapper, everybody wanna see the glamour. All these people wanna slice a cake, but wanna do it without pulling weight. I'm bananas while attacking, I go stupid. Saying that it feels right.